Welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today we're going to explore something gentle, a way to make planning feel good. Not overwhelming, not demanding, just calm, clear, and genuinely supportive. Because planning should feel like care, not pressure. Most of us were taught that planning is about control, filling every minute, trying to stay productive. But real planning, the kind that actually feels good, is slow, soft, honest. It helps you choose what truly matters, not how much you can fit into a single day. So, today I want to share a gentle approach to planning, one that has made my days lighter, calmer, and so much more intentional. And now, let's take the first step. I always begin with a pause, not with a task. A moment to breathe, to notice where I am today. Then I open a blank daily note in Obsidian. It's never perfect, it's never organized. It's simply a quiet place to land. I write how I feel, what's pulling my attention, what I might need to release. No structure, just presence. And only after that, I move to Notion. This is where the structure lives, where planning becomes gentle, not rigid. I choose one intention for the day, just one, a soft sentence that keeps me grounded. Then I add 3 important steps. Not everything I could do, just what will genuinely move my day forward. I don't overplan. I don't schedule at every moment. I give the day enough structure to feel supported and enough space to breathe. Technique 1. Start with a feeling, not a task. Instead of asking, what do I need to do? Ask, how do I want today to feel? Calm, focused, light? Let the feeling guide your plan. Technique 2. One intention only. A single sentence is enough. It becomes your anchor. Technique 3, the 3 steps rule. Choose 3 steps, not a list of 20. 3 steps you can return to without stress. Technique 4. Make planning beautiful. A clean page, soft colors, minimal structure. Beauty creates consistency because you actually want to return to it. Technique 5. End with kindness. Celebrate one small win, one gentle moment, a tiny highlight. This shifts planning from pressure to softness. Here's what a real day looks like for me. One intention. Bring clarity to one project. 3 steps. Outline the script. Organize my notes. Prepare for tomorrow's focus. And one small highlight. Enjoyed a peaceful morning. Nothing dramatic, just a plan that feels good, because it isn't overloaded. Planning feels good when it's simple, when it supports you instead of pushing you. One intention, 3 gentle steps, a moment of reflection, a rhythm you can return to every day. If this brought you a moment of calm, feel free to like and subscribe, and tell me what you'd love to explore next. Thank you for being here.